So now, is this severe thunderstorm warning just issued, or is it? I think it is. Or not.
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning
Is this
for
severe thunderstorm warning?
County, northwestern Des Moines County, south central Louisa County until 5:45 p.m.
Wait.
At 4:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was
Is it heading for the city Clinton? Is the severe
Fairgrounds,
thunderstorm warning heading for the city Clinton?
northeast at 20 miles an hour. Expected hazards include
Is it gonna impact this? Is it gonna impact Clinton, Iowa?
The following texts are expected.
Or no, I think it's in southeastern Iowa. Wow, it's way down. Burlington has to be. Her Mount Ple. It's just near Burlington, Iowa.
Oakland Mills Park, Mount Pleasant Municipal Airport, Sperry, Big Hollow Recreation Area, Waterworks Park, Pleasant Grove, Dodgeville, Virginia
Wait,
Grove
it's
Recreation
impacting
Area,
the city of
Marsh,
Mount Pleasant?
and Yarmouth. Take cover now. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for southeastern Iowa.
Wednesday, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers in the morning.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5